Measures uncover the information hidden in your data and help you to tap into its real potential. Over the next few minutes, you'll explore measures and their importance for data analysis. You'll also explore how calculated tables are built from pre-calculated measures. AdventureWorks needs to calculate its sales data for all the products it has sold this month. It also needs to ensure that this calculation can be updated monthly against new sales data. The company can generate these insights using measures. You can discover more about measures and how they function by exploring how AdventureWorks uses them. Let's begin with an overview of measures. Measures in Power BI are used to perform calculations on data model fields. Measures play a pivotal role in data analysis and interpretation. Measures are used in Power BI to perform aggregations, calculations, or evaluations on data that provide meaningful insights. Measures are typically used in data visualization elements. Examples of these elements include charts, tables, and cards. By using measures, you can compute aggregated values such as sums, averages, minima, maxima, counts, or more complex statistical calculations. Measures in Power BI offer several benefits in data analytics and reporting. Let's explore some of the benefits. Measures are calculated in the context of the visualization or report they are used in. This means they are dynamically updated based on filtering and other interactions within the report. In other words, if the context changes, then so does the measure. This dynamic calculation allows you to dive deeper into data and gain insights from different angles and perspectives. Measures are also reusable. Once created, you can continue to recall them in your code. This reduces the repetitive work of creating the same calculations and ensures data consistency across all reports. Another benefit is performance. Measures can be used to track the performance of different aspects of a business. Measures are commonly used to create key performance indicators, or KPIs, essential to monitor business performance. KPIs provide a quick snapshot of performance against predefined targets or benchmarks. And finally, measures also help to maintain consistency. Measures help maintain consistency in metrics across different visualizations and reports. Consistency ensures the same results show regardless of filtering or grouping. In your measures, your calculations must be standardized and uniformly applied throughout the analysis. This ensures accurate and reliable reporting across various visualizations and dashboards. Measures can also be used to create calculated tables in Power BI. A calculated table is a table that you add to a model derived from existing tables by using a DAX formula. AdventureWorks has created a measure called total sales. This measure is the sum of all sales across all products. Now the company needs a new product table that lists each product alongside its respective total sales. This can be done using a DAX formula. In this DAX formula, sales is the original table. Sales product is the product column in the original table. And total sales is the measure AdventureWorks created. Let's take a moment to explore a sample of the syntax used to create such a formula. Begin with the name of your new measure, followed by an equals operator. Then add the required expression that contains the logic of your measure. For example, AdventureWorks can create a new measure called total sales that calculates the total sales amount from the sales table. When executed, this DAX formula will list each product and its total sales. Creating calculated tables from pre-calculated measures is particularly useful for creating a summary table from large datasets, or for creating a table with data that does not exist in the original tables. This can enhance data analysis visualization capabilities in Power BI. In this video, you have learned about measures and their importance in data analysis. You are also able to explain how calculated tables are built from pre-calculated measures. Measures in Microsoft Power BI are essential to data analysis and interpretation. They offer dynamic, reusable, and complex calculation capabilities, enabling businesses to gain insights from their data and make data-driven decisions effectively and efficiently.